HandyCare will be focused on cardiac diseases and especially for high-risk patients. Our system would be handheld and thanks to several sensors, would allow the monitoring of the heart activity of the patient. The system is composed of one Arduino Uno card that recovers data from the electrodes linked to its analog input. Moreover, the heart activity will have to be amplified and processed in order to be correctly analyzed by the Arduino card. It will be done thanks to an hardware module. A battery module will supply in energy the Arduino card, but also the hardware module. Finally, recorded data will be saved in a memory card. Once the cardiologist has prescribed the patient to wear the system, he will carry it all the time as long as it is recommended by the doctor, and the doctor will have access to these data when they meet. This allows a total freedom for the patient, and it will be possible for him to have a normal life. He will be able to play video games, to work, and even have a family life while wearing the device. Thanks to an embedded software application, data will be recovered from the memory card, processed, and then displayed as an electrocardiogram. The cardiologist will then be able to have a look at the patient's heart activity over the whole recorded period.